Hey all, welcome back to a new video. Today in this video, let's talk about few small yet useful items that I've been using for the kitchen and home, and I thought I would share them with you. This video is in collaboration with Meesho. Meesho is India's favorite app to buy products at lowest prices ever. Trusted by 1 crore plus users across India, you can choose from 50 lakh plus products across women and men's fashion, kidswear, home and kitchen, and many more. And with that, let's begin with the video. Measuring cups are such an useful item in the kitchen according to me. It helps in right measurement of any food we are making, resulting in no wastage and accurate quantity every single time. For example, I have one in my rice storage box, and this helps me to not make extra rice that may be wasted. You can also use to measure water for your rice so that rice turns out fluffy every time with no excess water left. And because it's inexpensive, you can have one in all your pantry containers like rice dal, dosa rice, urad dal, chana dal, etc. It's also great for making food for one person or in small quantity. You can also use it for baking. Owning a measuring cup will ensure a perfect baked cake every time. Next item is this dry fruit grater. This is little tricky to put it together. There is a ring that we need to put on top and turn to lock it. And I was very happy with this find because this shaves the dry fruits and not grates it like in a normal chopper in such a way that it's not fully powdered. It's thin shaved pieces. Just perfect to put it on top of your kheer, biryani, pulao, or with anything you like it. Steel chopping boards are something which is new to me, and I thought because it is so popular, let me give it a try. One little problem that I have found with this is that it is not very anti-skid, but laying a cloth underneath solves that. Pros are it's not plastic, it's resistant to temperature, doesn't absorb odor, free of risk of bacteria buildup, and goes in dishwasher unlike wooden or plastic ones. However, the biggest con of a steel chopping board is it will blunt the sharpness of the knife, which is a total spoiler for me. I regret buying this honestly. To me, wooden chopping boards are the best considering its ability to preserve a knife's edge. This is a pack of 2 stainless steel strainers. One is medium and the other is small in size. I found it really handy in the kitchen. It's good for washing small quantity of veggies, and it also has a handle which is easy to hold and drop in the pan for cooking. I use the small one for washing or making corn, peas, pasta, etc. for kaya. Best part about steel utensils are they are dishwasher safe. This is a steel oil dispenser. I got it for storing deep fried oil. The pourer can be opened and washed, and it has a big mouth which is very convenient for pouring oil from the karai. Honestly, it's not a healthy practice to reuse deep fry oil. However, the best you can do to avoid food wastage is to first let it cool down, then filter all the food particles from the oil and store it in a container. If you do not filter the particles, chances are your oil may get rancid as you cook, and it's advised to use and finish off the oil within a week's time. This is also very convenient to wash, as we can reach the inside of the bottle to clean it well since the opening is wide enough. These silicone bags are life-changing. Boxes sometimes take up a lot of space in the fridge, hence these are the perfect substitute for that. Not only this, it's also a better substitute for Ziploc bags since it's not plastic. You can also use it to store extra grocery in your pantry. Or you can also use it to marinate meat or fish and store it in the freezer for later use. These bags are also leak proof, which means you can use it for storing liquidy items as well. For example, I have almost 1.5 kgs of mutton here, so I will marinate the whole amount, cook half of it now and store the half in the freezer for some other day. You can also use it for your meal prepping veggies. I'm going to use it for storing cut veggies for sambar. Also, I will cut and store beans in these bags and make it for dinner tomorrow. These bags are reusable, freezer, microwave and dishwasher safe. Now let's jump into some household items that I found really useful. This is a humidifier or mist diffuser. I've been looking for something similar for long since I have a pet and the house can at times get smelly. To use it, all you have to do is to fill water in the bottom half and some drops of essential oil and put back the lid or other half. It's leak proof and it has 3 light settings. The mist has 2 settings, one is continuous and the other is intermittent. I'm in love with this. It's an instant mood changer, and who doesn't love a good smelling home? This is a hook hanger. It has 7 hooks attached to it, and I thought this item was the best buy during this pandemic when masks has become an essential. Initially, I had only one sticky hook and every one of us would hang our masks on that one hook. It was very inconvenient and also unhygienic in some way. This is a mini cloth drying rack. It has 5 thin rails and a holder to attach to something. I got it for drying all my washed kitchen clothes. By the way, to remove tough stains from your kitchen cloth, just use some borax, dish detergent and vinegar and soak it for a few hours before washing. This rail gets attached to your sink and makes it a good place to hang small clothes. Next thing is this interesting product. It's a shoe or slipper drying holder. I have been delaying cleaning our slippers for very long, and today I decided I will just clean it up. I used a toothbrush and some laundry detergent for that. It's convenient to hang it in this rack and the water drips down nicely. You can also hang it in your balcony rail. This is a lamp or diya holder. I've been using this one for long in my mandir, but the flame from the lamp seemed to have made black marks on the mandir. Hence I decided to replace it with this. It has a covering on top which doesn't let the flame out. However, this item has a design flaw. Because it had no gap at the bottom, due to lack of oxygen, the flame went off. Then we decided to use a little science and put few pieces of matchstick at the bottom like this. This has helped with the oxygen flow and the flame didn't go off anymore. You can try this trick out in case you have a similar lamp holder, and let me know if it worked for you. Get your first order discount of ₹100 or flat 30% off by using the link in the description to download Meesho. Additionally, you get free delivery on all orders, cash on delivery and easy returns also available. Ordering on the Meesho app is very simple. Just search for the product you wish to buy or look for the code of the product in the search box. Add to cart, select your payment method and add the delivery address. See, it's that simple. That's it for today's one. I really hope you liked it and find it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon with a new video. Take care. Bye.